One more time, we thank you so much for taking your bordering on theft and vandalization of public infrastructures. This is an operation that we have embarked upon, and we are happy to announce to you that it is yielding the expected results. In our continued partnership, in our shared commitment to ensuring the safety and security of lives and property within the Federal Capital Territory, we are pleased to announce a significant breakthrough in our ongoing efforts to tackle the menace of vandalism of public infrastructure, which has posed serious risk to public safety and infrastructures. The command has successfully arrested groups of suspects involved in vandalism and theft of manhole covers within the Federal Capital Territory. Our operatives conducted targeted operations leading to arrest of 50 suspects and recovery of 25 manhole covers. They are there for you to see. 3 vehicles have been recovered from these suspects. We have also recovered vandalized solar lights, galvanized rods used in construction of flyovers, and other tools used in vandalizing these government installations, and several other exhibits at various Pantika hotspots like in Kabusa, Gariki, Mabushi, and Wuse. Investigations have revealed that these individuals operate as part of a larger network, selling stolen manhole covers to scrap dealers. These criminal activities endanger the life of general public by creating hazards on our roads and walkway, while undermining the integrity of public infrastructure. Below is a detailed breakdown of suspects arrested and exhibits recovered. I have for you a list of 50 suspects. Their names are included here. I will hand them over to you at the end of this briefing. Recovered from them include 25 galvanized manhole. You can see the ones removed from all the roads within the Federal Capital Territory. Bulk of them have been recovered. 5 solar lights, several galvanized poles, street lights, lightnings, several rolls of high voltage cables belonging to power holdings. We also recovered 2 locally made pistols during our operations from these scavengers. We recovered 2 live cartridges, 1 sharp knife, 30 tubes of triple sub glues. Shams were recovered from them, 30 large solar lights. We recovered from them 7 barrels of diesel suspected to have been stolen. We recovered 1 Volkswagen Sporter bus with registration number BJ592XA, reconstructed as a diesel tanker. You will never believe that it was conveying diesel. You will believe it's just a bus made to convey passengers. We recovered 9 tires, rims, and co. We recovered 4 sets of televisions from them, decoders. We recovered 13 bags of cement as well, and many, many other accessories that are all there for you to see. From these scavengers, we recovered 3 generators, and we recovered ladders that they used to enter and come out of this manhole. And a lot of their tools, like iron cutting, pliers, were recovered from them. The diversity and volume of recovered items highlight the extensive and organized nature of this syndicate, whose activities have caused significant harm to public infrastructure and projects conducted within the Federal Capital Territory. I want to emphasize that the Federal Capital Territory Police Command and our sister agencies, including the Navy, the Nigerian Army, the Air Force, the Civil Defense, the DSS, and other security agencies, operate zero tolerance towards this act of vandalism. And we are resolved to all go out to ensure that we continue to embark on raids to rid the town of this menace. As I speak with you, Shanties behind the new PDP secretariats are ongoing removal. As I speak with you, our officers are there. We have moved into the areas and it has been leveled down. As I speak with you, shanties near the Total filling station by NNPC is gone, as our officers are there and it has been leveled to the ground. Shanties behind the house, shanties housing Panteka at Apoduse has already gone the same way. We are going to identify areas where all these activities are taking place and we'll do what is necessary. So far, so good. I want to let members of the public know that the duty of protecting public infrastructure is that of everybody. Public infrastructure belongs to every one of us and we have a duty to protect it. I'm going to leave a number for you to call in case you see or notice vandalization of public infrastructure. I want you to call this number and a team dedicated will move to that area to do what is necessary. 0803-200-3913. I'll take the number one more time. 0803-2003-913. If you see something, say something. Thank you so much. I can take questions if you want to ask me questions.